Hello everyone. In the previous video we had just covered how we can create our AdWord account. Now after creating the AdWord account, the topic which I am covering is how to do the billing in the Google AdWords. As we all know, the Google AdWord is a paid advertising mode given by the Google. So the Google will run our advertisement only when we do some payment. So before running our campaigns, what we have to do is we have to pay the money, or we have to do the billing to the Google, so that we can create our campaigns and we can run our advertisements. So in Google, the Google is providing us two ways to pay the amount. The first one is manual and the second one is automatic. In manual, what we can do, it is also known as a prepaid billing. Like, we will decide how much money we want to pay. For example, I just want to pay 500 rupees in advance and I just want to run my campaigns. So what I'll do, I'll just select the manual and there will be options of credit card, debit card. I will give the details, I will enter my authentication details so that Google will identify or approve our card, and after that I'll just mention the amount how much I just want to spend on my campaigns. That comes in manual, which is also known as the prepaid billing. The second one is automatic, which is also known as postpaid. In this, Google will authorize our card, our debit card, credit card. We will go to the practical session also, and then we can see how we can do the payment. And then it is postpaid, means once we will authorize our card, after that it will deduct on the basis of the campaign, or we will decide how much money we want to spend on our campaigns. In this, we have to authorize our card only once, and after that it automatically deduct the amount from our card. But what I recommend is always go for manual, because sometimes we do mistake, like we want to run a campaign for one day, but by mistake we just select the date of 5 to 7 days, so it will automatically deduct per day budget or per day amount. So always go for manual payment and then you can run your campaigns. So if you can see the screen, the steps which we have to follow, the only thing is, the first step is go for your Google AdWord account, which we have just created in our previous lecture, in our previous video. Just log in on google.com with your Gmail ID and password, and then you can get this type of screen. Let me show you. I just log in my AdWord account. This is my AdWord account after signing with my ID and password. So for billing, what we have to do, just click on the gear button at the top of the right hand side, and after that follow the steps. So I'm doing the payment. This is the gear button. Just click here. You will find the options of billing. Just click on the billing. Then you can find the first thing, since I'm doing this first time, so this is the main thing which you can't change in future. You have to select the country from where you want to make the payment, wherever you stay, wherever you want, because on the basis of the current country, it will select the currency. Both are interrelated. Whatever country you select, it will ask you to make the payment in that particular currency only. Since I am in India, so what I am doing is I am just selecting India. So just click on continue. After that you will find the different options. Let's wait for the screen, it is coming. These are the informations, text information. If you are running the Google AdWord for the company, it will ask for the TAN number, but since I am running for my individual account, it is optional. So what you have to do, you have to just enter your details, because later on, if you we will see in our this video, the threshold is required for billing. After 2500 rupees you spent, it will give you the first invoice. There are two ways. One thing is 2500, if you spend it is in 1 week, 1 day, it will give you first invoice. Or if you're not spending 2500 rupees in a month, then it will give you the voice at the end of the month. So the first invoice will come on 2500 spends. It's your choice. You spend in 1 week, you spend in 10 days, 25 days. After 2500 rupees, it will automatically create the first invoice. Or if you are spending in 30 days, then the first invoice will come at the end of the month or 30 days only. So just enter your details. Fill the form, whatever information you have on the screen. After that, see here you can find the options automatic or manual. Google will suggest you go for the automatic, but what I suggest on the basis of my experience, always go for the manual payments. I'm just selecting for just explaining both the options. I'm selecting automatic payments. It will ask for the credit card or debit card details. I'm not entering any detail. You just select the card name, the month and year of the expiration of your card. CVC code you will find at the back side of your credit card. And after that, what you have to do, you have to just select complete sign up. It is asking billing information, communication language, and then once you select this yes I agree to above conditions, then it will complete the sign up form. I'm not entering any information. You can enter, and after that it will ask, if your card is original or if it is authorized, it will select your card as a automatic payment. And later on when you create the campaign, you will decide your daily budget. On the basis of that, it will automatically deduct the money from your credit card or debit card, whatever option you are selecting. This was our automatic payment. The second is manual payment. The same way, it is asking for you can see in the screen, with the manual payment you can manually maintain a prepaid balance. You have to decide in advance, like we do in our mobile, or we recharge our amount, we recharge our card and then we make the calls. Same the postpaid, once you make the call, later on at the end of the month you will get the bill. The same way it is prepaid and postpaid payment. Here I selected complete sign up. Now it is asking for details which I just missed. Name and phone number. After that it is asking for complete sign up. Now it will ask for the manual payment, how much money which I want to transfer, make a payment. See, there are two options, one is credit card or debit card and the second is net banking. In the postpaid or in the automatic payment, you had the option only of credit and debit card, but in this prepaid you have two options, credit or debit card. You just select whatever option you want to select. If you are selecting the net banking, it will ask you can select credit or debit card. Once you will enter the amount, it will ask you for the bank name, which bank you just want to select and through which you want to transfer the money. It will give you the list of the banks. You can select your bank and after that make the payment. I'm not making any payment because I'm just explaining how to do the payment in your AdWord account. So this was how we can do the billing, how we can make the payment. Since I cancelled, so you will get this type of screen. I just selected how much amount I just transferred. Since I have not made any payment, so one is showing current balance, that is 0, and the mode of payment is manual payment because I had selected manual payment, and then it is showing my details. Later on you will find, if you enter your money and then start campaign, you will get the details of all the transactions at this particular screen. So this was how we can do the billing, because since it's a paid advertisement, the money transfer is mandatory. You have to transfer the money to Google AdWord account, only then you can run your campaigns. So after doing billing, I'll just create my campaigns. So this was for this video lecture. Hope you understand how we can create or how we can transfer the money. For further videos, you can visit my website www.nidhimam.in, and you can also find out, or you can also subscribe my video channel Nidhi ma'am, digital marketing trainer at youtube.com. Hope you understand what I explain in this video. Later on you will find out the more videos for all the topics which we had to cover in this PPC. So thanks for watching my video. All the best.